Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji from a picture with Instagram application. You must be never think that Instagram can do these things for your picture. Let's open the Instagram first, and the next thing we need to do is just access this Instagram story section. If you cannot find it, you just need to make sure that you are stay in the home section, and then you just need to go click this story section, or you can also right away click this plus button here that to access your photo library, and then you just need to pick the picture that containing emoji on it. So let's say here I want to remove this. The next thing you need to do is just go click this three small dot and go click draw. Make sure you pick this type of pen, and we need to adjusting the size of the pen by drag this point into the upper side. We need to make it bigger so that we can do it fast. And right after that, we need to go click this color picker, and we need to pick the color that we want to use for the tint. And I will let you go close with the emoji that I would like to hide. And now we just need to start scratching the emoji, and this emoji will slightly disappear from your picture. Whenever you're done, you just need to go click done and go click these three small dots, save, and you're done. You already got this picture without any emoji on it. That is the way how to remove emoji with the Instagram. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.